28, no day proven by deed. Descendants of Sparta, Athens to Crete. Look now, ready to fight. Enemies charge from the hills. True arms facing defeat. There's no surrender, there's no retreat. Time after time, force the enemies back to the line. Call to arms, banners fly in the wind, for the glory of Hellas. Call to arms, breathing freedom one day. Let the king lead us. That raid, found in the land. Bombers are flying both day and night. Endure 6 days of rain. Not by invaders, bomb rain in vain. Strike hard, the tables have turned. Drive them back over the hills. At arms, just like before. Soldiers, civilians, and lost at war. By their own hand, force the enemy out of their land. Call to arms, banners fly in the wind, for the glory of Hellas. Call to arms, bleeding freedom or death. Let the king lead us. Just like their ancestors ages ago, fought in the face of defeat. Those 300 men left a right to uphold. Freedom or death in effect. Now again, blood of heroes saving the land. Call to arms, banners fly in the wind, for the glory of Hellas. Call to arms, breathing freedom or death. Let the king lead us. Call to arms, banners fly in the wind, for the glory of Hellas. Call to arms, breathing freedom or death. Let the king lead us. War is coming swiftly, the border's closing in. We're a company of soldiers, near 40 rifles strong. All alone, stand alone. Our dinner ground is burning, and rumble is at hand. As the blitzkrieg's pushing harder, the war is all around. All around, hold your ground. Days of battles, no one's on our side. Few will fight for all until the bullets are gone. We will resist and fight, fight hard, 'cause we are all inside. We take up arms and fight, fight hard, resist and do what's right. No matter our fighting, the numbers will still count. We're outgunned and few in numbers, we're doomed to flag or fail. We fought hard.